nandito po kami ngayon. May challenge po kami. Kakain kami ng, ano to ba? Kids Candy Challenge. Kasama ko ang aking friend na Bicolana, si Weng, at saka si... Sino ka? Cheryl! Okay, mag-start na po kami. Unahin natin. Ano yan, be? Unahin natin yan.
Jelly!
Oh, jelly.
Jelly
Buksan mo na yan, be.
stick! Let's open!
Open the jelly first.
Wow!
Oh, may iba-ibang flavor. Ano ba? Orange flavor. Ano yan, be? Tikman mo yan. May apple, be.
Apple ito.
Oh, apple flavor. Ayan sa'yo, be. Grape yan.
Orange!
Oh, apple. So, let's try.
Wow!
Parang mga bata.
Is bata.
Ay, dapat pala nito binilagay natin sa ref. Malamang.
So soft.
Sour. A little bit sour. A little bit sour. Apple. Kaangap mo man biya.
So enjoy to eat them.
Yummy. Apple plate.
Can I have one more?
Meron din ito
Stop.
sa Pilipinas. Yung malalaking ganyan. Oh.
Yan yung kuwan, gelatin.
Sour. Ito sour.
Bagal yung kumain.
Tapos na sila. Na-late ako.
Next,
May, maano kaya ang butas? Di, maliit.
let's try. Virgin pa yung sa'yo. Grapes
So, apple. For
flavor.
me, I will try also the grapes. So, you will
Okay.
try also the
Orange.
orange. Grapes also.
Okay.
So, let's finish this one in 2 minutes. Madaya, dapat kaya malaki ang butas ko. Kaya nga, uuna kayo. Ngayon na ako sa challenge, talo. Dapat pala may $500 so kung sino manalo.
So yummy.
Kasunod kong challenge, may ano na, may bayad na ang mga gas ko.
Nakatulog na ako.
Natula ako, kaya mo pa ibang flavor, be.
Pero thank you.
Walang cut, continue.
Just slowly to bite.
No any flavor, so I will try the orange now.
2 minutes nga. E paano kung wala na ibang flavor? Na-try ko na lahat.
Ububuksan natin yung isa. Si Cheryl, ibang ini-imagine. Pa-jelly. Ibang sip-sip mo, Cheryl. Bad yan sa YouTube. Sour man din. Ang orange.
Take water.
Nakaapat na ako
Water.
Water.
Dami.
So sweet.
So, itatry namin
Not so
to, guys.
sweet.
Ano to? Haribo Hearts. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Buksan natin. Kung postiso ka nito, hindi ko
Don't
kaya.
say postizo and postizo.
Ay, postiso.
Yeah.
Wow!
Heart shape.
May pa-heart-heart.
Kuha ka, be. Ayan, guys, heart.
Heart for
Let's
you.
try.
I heart you.
Oh my God, matagyan, matigas.
So hard to buy.
Oh, hard to buy. I heart you.
Nagkulong. Like nagkulong taste.
Parang didikit dito sa ano ko, sa babang.
Grabe na yung mga kalukuhan ta.
Kahit anong yaw, parang hindi mo
Ang
malunok.
dapat makalima ka 2 minutes. Dali.
Kahit anong yan, parang hindi malunok. So hard. Like,
Anoin mo lang, bilunin ka, wag mo nang nguya.
Ako nilulunok ko ng bilog.
I heart you.
Nadikit sa ipin.
Kung pwede lang kainin ang puso mo, yes. Sana all.
sana all. Ay ka sana all.
Sana all may ka-heart.
Sana all may ka-heart.
Hanap-hanap din pag may time.
Hanap ng heart.
Hanap-hanap din pag may time.
Dali.
Don't so quickly. Just bite slowly.
Dapat ang 2 minutes makakain kang 5. Nakadalawa ka pa lang.
Bakit tulad niyo? Ang hirap lunukin.
Hindi ko na talaga manguya
Kasi
lahat.
maganda kasi siya
So,
camera.
so guys, if you want to try this, free to try. Just buy in the mall.
Try buy in the mall. Not asking you and you send it
I
to
know.
them.
Got
You will
some.
buy for them.
Last
You
ko
need
na,
to
baka
buy
lima na.
long time.
Buy
Before,
tila,
before you lunok.
Buy tila, chiche.
Buy sila.
Okay, next guys. Ito naman ang ating kakainin. Ano, how to pronounce this? Poyful?
Yeah,
po.
look like
Poyful
a
candy.
look like a bubble gum.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you try.
I see this
Just open.
flavor I don't like. Can you
If
open?
they look like a baby eating sweet.
Wow.
Wow, so
Pinky,
colorful.
pinky. What is
Ay,
this?
parang bubble gum.
Pink, yeah.
You try. I will try the pink one, guys.
When you eat,
Okay,
it's
show
like
to them your color.
yeah.
The
I
yellow
tried
one.
the yellow.
Yellow one. So pink one.
I chop.
Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3. Dana! Ayun,
Malambot pala siya.
sour din yung pink.
A little bit sour.
Maasim din yung yellow.
How about the green one? Green one.
Oh, sour.
Lahat maasim, kulay lang ang iba.
Mm. Sweet and sour.
Kiwi. The green one is kiwi.
The flavor kiwi. How about the purple
Na rose purple.
and the yellow?
Yellow also, guys. Yellow.
Oo nga, no.
Mm.
Yung yellow,
Yellow
orange.
is good. I like the yellow one.
Orange, yellow.
Cannot understand the taste of the purple.
How to explain? Cannot
Yeah, I
explain.
cannot explain.
Just like your darling cannot explain.
Yeah.
The same.
Cannot spell.
The pink one I like. Okay. 5 also in 1 minute.
Okay.
5 and keke.
Nakadalawa na ako.
So, yan.
Ay, tila, cheche.
You need to take your time when you bite in this one.
Postiso.
Postiso me.
It's a long time to eat. Long
Yeah.
time to bite. To swallow it.
Stick inside my gum. Upstairs.
Gums here.
Yeah.
I'm done.
If you postiso, means your gums double.
Like poko.
Yeah. So not easy to
Next.
eat. Sticky.
So next,
So sour.
Haribo Happy Cola Saver.
But so enjoy to eat this one.
Cola Saver.
Hola.
Cola. So wag ka nang bibili ng Coke. Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Ito na lang. Meron din ito sa atin. Iniba lang yung Chinese. Pero ganun din. Oh, cheers, cheers! Kasi nasa bottle ito.
Wow.
Cheers, cheers. Doon tayo sa kanila. Cheers, dali.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Cheers! Cola.
Mm.
Mhm.
Mm.
What's sour?
Aching.
It's not cola.
Maachim.
Aching kula.
Aching cola. Kaya pala yung ano niya, yung dila niya nakatila. Kaya pala yung dila niya nakatila. Oh, maasim. Bakit ganito to?
So
What's
maachim. So
Ano
sour.
ito yung cola niya, oh? Wala nang ibang flavor.
Very strong cola.
Grabe yung ano niya, espiritu.
Mm-mm.
Kaya pala nakatila siyang, Gala.
Oh my god.
Come on, 5 also.
Number one.
You need to eat more.
More.
Because so many watching to you. Your challenge, you need to finish. Paitila, cheche.
3.
Paitila, cheche. So many watching to you, cheche.
I cannot eat
You look
five
beautiful.
pieces.
You don't
Yeah, I
show
know.
them your sour. Yeah, smile. Paitila. Sour talaga. Hindi matago.
Cannot keep the sour taste. What happened to the taste? Why like that?
Cheche, water please.
Okay.
Ay,
This
put
is
more,
my
Cheche.
glass.
It's okay. You don't have virus, Cheche.
Ah, no. But me and Ajit take the
Apat.
COVID vaccine.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. This is challenging when you eat this one. Cola candy. So sour.
Asim.
Ooh.
Yun ang the best.
Ang jelly.
Yeah.
Later we will test the next one.
Ako pa?
Oh, this one is good. Maybe this is last one. This one, guys. Let's try this one. Oh, is this candy caramel cream? Right. So, candy caramel
Matamis.
flavor.
Last ko na to, 5 na.
So, check you didn't pick. So, ito naman, guys. Tatry
So
natin yung
challenging.
caramel. Okay, you take what?
Okay.
Candy.
Thank you.
Matigas siya. Candy. Candy, guys. O, pakita nyo. Kinakain nyo na agad. Excited kayo. Caramel flavor. Matigas. Ito talaga ang tanggal ang ngipin, guys.
Caramel nga eh.
So sweet. Panghimagas.
Sarap siya.
This is called
Sarap.
panghimagas.
Sarap siya.
Masarap.
Oh,
You forgot your name?
I forgot our name. I forgot. So lovely the taste. So I will keep this one. We will keep it this one. Yummy.
Lasa.
Masarap.
You want to help me to keep you
You
the
know the
other
kopi
thing?
ko? It's the same kopi ko.
Yeah.
But this one so long
More
time, mas
when you
matapang nga mo, kopi ko.
Maybe this one will finish tomorrow. Okay, let's bite it.
Hindi man mabait.
You cannot bite. It's so
Matigas.
hard.
Oh my God.
So hard. So hard guys to buy this one.
So
But the
ngayon
taste
guys,
so nice.
napilit ko silang mga kaibigan kong kumain ng Candy Kids. So yung mga guest ko soon, magbablog na rin sila. Kaya papakilala ko sila.
Continue to watching guys.
Please subscribe, mga Bicolana.
Oragon kami.
Oragon kami. Maanghang kami. Ay, so sorry. So may last pa tayo guys.
Ay, meron
Ito
pa.
Ay. Kapag happy birthday mo, siyempre. So, kung ikaw ay prutas, alin ka dito? Ayan o. Ano to be?
Amis.
Ito yung grapes. Apple ka ba?
Mhm.
Banana ka ba? Ano to be? Guava? Ano to be?
Uh,
Avocado ka ba?
Mm.
Or orange ka ba?
Mangga.
Lemon or mangga?
Lemon like a lemon.
Two grapes. So, itong kukunin nyo dito, ang nagtutukoy kung anong prutas kayo. Yan guys, so dapat pala 6 tayo, kaso 3 lang tayo, so tigda 2 tayo. Anong prutas ka? Ikaw muna.
Dalawa.
Oo, tigda 2 tayo.
Ano?
Avocado ka, saka,
Ito.
ano yan, be orange. O ikaw, akin yung matitira.
Siyempre akin yung mahaba. Banana.
Pagkita mo sa kanila kung anong paborito mo.
Ang paborito
Banana,
tayo
paborito
mahaba.
niya. Ikaw, ba,
Kasi
pakita mo yung
banana.
paborito mo.
And the other one is the
Paborito.
avocado.
Avocado at
At
grapes.
saka orange.
O, so yung natira sa akin ay apple at saka, ano to be, lemon ba tong isa or mango?
Strawberry.
Lemon.
Color
Hindi, yung,
of
yung
my
banana sa kanya.
lips.
Basta talaga saging maaga.
Basta
to
sa akin
eh.
maaga ka rin.
So cute.
So cute. Can I
Kakainin
keep
na?
this? Or,
Or
So,
just
we will taste
display.
so, let's remembrance for you guys.
Ayan.
Because you are my guest for today. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Ubusan namin ito mamaya. Thank you! Please share and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.
Thanks for
Bye-bye!
watching.